Hello, and welcome. Tonight, we're going to focus on an incredibly powerful technique, a method of visualization that will guide you into a restful sleep, carrying your thoughts toward the fulfillment of your desires. Now, as you settle in, I want you to take a deep, calming breath. Breathe in slowly, filling your lungs with air, then gently exhale. Let the stresses of the day begin to fade away. Allow your mind to quiet, and with each breath, become more relaxed. Imagine each breath you take as a wave of relaxation, soothing your mind and body, washing away the tensions and worries of your day. Let yourself sink into comfort. This practice is simple yet profound. It's about taking a moment to tune into the reality you wish to manifest, but it doesn't require force or struggle. The key here is not to fight your thoughts but to gently guide them. So, as you lie back, think of the desire you've been nurturing. The one thing that means so much to you, whether it's a dream job, improved health, a relationship, or financial abundance. Picture it now. Imagine yourself already living this desire. Imagine what it feels like, what it looks like, what it sounds like. Feel the emotions that would come with having this wish fulfilled. Close your eyes and begin to imagine. See yourself in the situation where your desire is already yours. Maybe you're walking through your dream home or standing on the stage of your career success. Hear the sound of your own voice, filled with joy and satisfaction. Let the feelings of fulfillment, peace, and excitement fill your heart. This is not about trying to make anything happen. Rather, it's about tapping into the state where your wish is already fulfilled. You're not waiting for it to happen, you're allowing it to unfold naturally within your mind. This is the key. Your imagination is the most powerful tool you have. And right now, as you relax deeply, you can enter into the state where your desire already exists. Now, as you drift deeper into relaxation, I want you to recall that feeling, the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Let it become the dominant emotion in your mind. You're not trying to convince yourself that this is real, you're letting your mind believe it's already true. Feel it in your body, in your heart. Let the peace that comes with this knowledge wash over you. In this state, you are not waiting for something outside of you to change. Instead, you are aligning yourself with the reality that is already present within you. The key to this practice is trust. Trust that your desire has already been fulfilled. Trust that the feelings you're experiencing are not only possible but inevitable. You've already planted the seed of your desire in your mind, and now, it's time to let it grow. As you lie there, drifting towards sleep, continue to focus on that feeling, that inner knowing, and let it carry you deeper into relaxation. Every moment you spend in this state of mind is a step closer to the manifestation of your desires. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the bed. Let go of any remaining tension. With each passing moment, your body becomes heavier, but your mind becomes lighter. You are entering a state where your inner world takes precedence over the outer. You've now stepped into the most powerful place there is, your imagination. At this moment, I want you to note this: what you imagine is real. It is as real as the world you see when your eyes are open. The more vividly you can imagine, the more your subconscious accepts it as truth. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what is real and what is imagined. This is why the feelings you create during visualization are so powerful. They speak directly to the subconscious mind and, through repetition, influence the way you see the world and the way the world responds to you. As you drift closer to sleep, continue to focus on the sensation of having your wish fulfilled. Hold on to that feeling. You may notice that your body is relaxing more and more, and your breath is becoming slower, deeper. Let this feeling become more vivid, as if it is happening now, not in the future but in the present moment. Let your mind fully embrace the truth that your wish is already complete. You do not need to worry about how or when. You simply need to trust in the process. And now, as you begin to enter the peaceful stillness of sleep, know that you are planting seeds that will grow and manifest in your physical world. Every time you return to this state, it becomes easier. It's a natural process. You are now one with the desire you've chosen, and you will wake in the morning closer to it than ever before. You might find that in the days to come, small signs or opportunities begin to appear. This is the natural result of your visualization. You've created a clear and powerful intention, and the universe is now aligning with it. Trust that this is happening, even as you sleep, because the work has already been done. All that's left is to allow it to unfold. Manifestation is a gentle process that flows with ease. Your task is not to force anything to happen but to align yourself with what you already know is true. Your desire is already yours. It's already in your reality. You don't need to chase it or doubt it. All you need to do is fall asleep tonight knowing that the fulfillment of your wish is inevitable. As you enter into a deep, restful sleep, feel a sense of gratitude for the work you've done tonight. Know that you are on the right path, and your desire is already moving toward you, as you move toward it. There's nothing more for you to do. Trust the process. You are fully supported by the universe, and your desires are already being brought to you. While your body rests, your mind is actively engaged in the creation of your ideal reality. It is not a matter of forcing the outcome, but rather allowing it to come to you naturally. Your imagination, when used with feeling, is an unbreakable force, capable of bringing anything you desire into existence. As you sleep tonight, feel the assurance that your mind is working on your behalf, making subtle shifts that will soon become visible to you. In the quiet of the night, the work continues, effortless, yet powerful. During this process, you do not need to be conscious of every thought you are having. Trust that your mind knows what to do. The key is consistency. Each time you visualize your wish fulfilled, you plant another seed in your subconscious mind. Over time, those seeds take root and begin to manifest in ways that may surprise you. You won't need to struggle or chase after your desires. They are coming to you, and it's happening now. So as you prepare for sleep, allow yourself to let go of the need for control. Surrender to the process of creation, knowing that the seeds you have planted will grow in their own time. When you awake in the morning, feel a deep sense of peace and know that what you've desired is already in motion. It's a quiet, effortless unfolding. With patience, it will arrive. When you trust in this process, you learn to allow the world to reflect back to you what you've created in your mind. This is not an overnight transformation, but rather a natural unfolding that takes place effortlessly, as long as you remain focused on the feeling of fulfillment. Continue visualizing, continue trusting, and above all, continue to sleep peacefully knowing that your desire is already yours. Now, as we conclude, I want you to note one important thing: what you've just experienced is not just a technique, it's a way of life. This is how you begin to transform your world. It's not through force or effort, but through a quiet confidence that everything you need is already on its way. All you need to do is trust that the inner work you've done is already producing results in the world around you. As you move forward from here, let this practice become a natural part of your routine. Each night, as you drift into sleep, let the feeling of your wish fulfilled be the last thing on your mind. It's not just before sleep that you manifest, it's throughout the day as well. But as you sleep, you give your mind the space to work without resistance. The more often you practice, the more effortless it becomes, and the more natural it feels to live in the state of already having what you desire. So let go, trust, and fall asleep with the knowledge that your desires are already on their way to you. Sleep deeply, knowing you are aligned with the fulfillment of your dreams. As you awaken, let the first thought in your mind be the sense of gratitude for what is already coming into your life. If you enjoyed this meditation, I invite you to like this video and subscribe to this channel. It's a simple way to show your support and receive more content that helps you create the life you desire. And if you found peace and inspiration in this practice tonight, share it with someone who may benefit from it. Let's spread the wisdom of a peaceful, fulfilled life. You can also share this video with friends and family, and help them tap into the power of their imagination. When we learn to visualize and trust the process, we begin to see changes in every area of our lives. Like, subscribe, and share, and together, we can create a space of abundance and peace for ourselves and for others. Take a moment to subscribe, because you won't want to miss out on more teachings like this that will help you manifest your desires. And don't forget to like the video if you feel that this has been helpful. You are now one step closer to living the life you've always dreamed of, and by staying connected to this channel, you'll continue to learn new ways to manifest even more. Thank you for being here. Sweet dreams, and may you wake up tomorrow knowing your desires are already on their way to you. Now, as your body becomes completely still, let your mind gently drift. You've done the work. All that's left is to allow yourself to drift into a peaceful, undisturbed sleep, knowing that you are already living the reality you desire. Let go completely. You are now in alignment with the fulfillment of your wish. Relax, trust, and fall asleep in peace. Good night, and know that tomorrow, when you wake, you will wake knowing that you are one step closer to your dream. Sweet dreams, and remember, everything is already unfolding perfectly.